Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all doing great. So we're already in the month of September and you might guess, yes, it is a Boxycharm unboxing video, and this time it's not a regular box. I have received a Boxyluxe, that is an upgraded version of a regular Boxycharm, which is an quarterly upgrade. I've told you many times, but still I got to do this because there might be a new subscribers and new viewers every time. So I got to do this. Don't think I'm boring you. Boxycharm is a beauty subscription box, and we pay like $21 every month, and we receive 4 to 5 full-size products in it. And there is also a quarterly upgrade, that is 4 months a year: March, June, September and December. So it's 4 months a year, and that 4 month we get to pay $21 plus $28.99, $21.99 plus $28.99, and you get a Boxyluxe that has like 8 to 10 full-size products. So this month I have received a Boxyluxe, and this is how the box looks. I know it's huge. I am hidden behind the box. Yeah, it is quite a huge box. What we're gonna do is unbox it today, and we're gonna see what is inside the box. I'm excited. Hope you are excited too. So let's get into our video. And in the box, I always, there are a lot of stuffs on the table. I don't have space to put this box. Cool. So we always do have a little pamphlet like this. It has the list of products that is inside our box, and it also has the price details in it. So let's begin. And the first product we're gonna see today is Start High Performance Naturals Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette. That is simply, it is a contour palette. And I'm so into contouring these days, so I think I'm gonna enjoy this product. Let me open it for you guys. Oh, the package looks beautiful. Yeah, this is how the packaging looks. So these are the shades available in the contour palette. So this palette has like 4 contour shades and 2 highlighting shades. I think Carrot and Crown, these 2 shades are mine, and these 2 shades are kind of light. So I guess this is the light to medium palette, and there are 2 highlighting shades. Halo shade, I don't think this color suits me. Maybe I'll apply a little bit and see. Yeah, it's too light for me on my skin. It looks lighter on my skin, so I think the shade Enhance should suit me. Yeah, it's perfect. This is my shade. So this is a decent contour palette. So we'll move on to the next product. Price of this palette is $45, and the next product is for hair. It is from the brand IGK. So it is a hydrating hair balm. If you have dryness, or if your hair is kind of frizzy, I think this helps. It helps to improve the hydration of the hair. Okay, let me see the usage. It is a leave-in conditioning balm, so you can use it both on your wet or dry hair. It has the coconut oil. My husband actually was asking me a couple weeks back to find some product like this. That is, he wants something like a leave-in conditioner. I think this helps him. I'm gonna share it with him. So let him try, and I'll ask his review and I'll share it with you. So the value of this product is $29. Yeah. And the next product is Dr. Brand Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. It is a sleeping mask. So in last month's box, I have received a Dr. Brand cleanser, and this time I received a recovery sleeping mask. So it works as a good combo, I guess. What does this product do is, it is a sleeping mask. It helps to improve the hydration of your skin, and it has the peptides along with ceramides, fatty acids, and some calming ingredients that helps to soothe and nourish our skin. and it helps to restore the hydration level of our skin, of course. And how to the usage of this product is apply mask to clean dry skin before bedtime. Do not rinse. So it has to be applied in the night time as a mask, and looks like we don't have to rinse. I always wanted to try a mask, but I'm so lazy to apply it and leave it in my face and wait for the whole 20 minutes and go rinse. So for people like me, I think this works. Value of this product is yeah, it is $52. Oh my goodness. And the next product will be let me find the name. Yeah, Hank and Henry Slick With It. I think it is an eyeliner. Yeah, it is a long wear liquid liner, and let me open it for you. I don't think it is in the shade black. Oh, it is black, sorry. Oh, it is a liquid liner. It has fine felt tip. It will be more easy to apply. And one more thing about this product is it is a vegan product. So if you are a vegan, then this is one of the eye product that you can try it out. And I'll try this in the next video or something, and I'll let you know the review, or maybe I'll do an IGTV video for you guys. Yeah, I was thinking for a long time about it, and I didn't get a proper chance to do, so maybe I'll do it and I'll talk about this in the IGTV. So the value of this product is $20. And the next product is, it is a lipstick. I love Stila lipsticks. Yes, it is a Stila lipstick, and it is in the shade Rubino. Wow, look at this. It is a fall color lipstick. It's right on time. Wow. I already have a couple of Stila lipsticks. I think I'm gonna love this, especially at this point of time. We are already in a fall season, and the beautiful liquid lipstick have arrived. I think I'm gonna use it to its max. Before that, let me try it out. Wow, that is a beautiful shade. So the value of the lipstick is, it is $22. And the next product is, wow. So it is a Sutra Beauty clipless curling iron. It is a hair tool. It is a curling wand. Wow. It has 1.25-inch barrel. It is a perfect tool to create beach waves or glam curls or soft curls, soft or tight curls, whatever you want. I think it is a decent product. Even though I have a curling wand already, I think I'm gonna enjoy this, because the one I have has a lot of attachments, and I had to carry a lot bag along with me whenever I travel. In that case, I think this will be more useful. So the value of this product is $65. So it is an eyeshadow palette, and it is from the brand Violet Voss. Violet Voss brand is an amazing brand. I did tried it in a store, so I always thought of buying Violet Voss palette, and I'm so glad that I received this month. And these are the shades. It has the variety of shades, and I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. Oh my, it has both metallic and matte shades. Oh my, look at this green. I can't wait to try this out. In a black shade. It is highly pigmented. I can't wait to try this palette. And it is a mix of both warm and cool toned shades. I guess we can create a most neutral look, or a bold look, or a glam look with this palette. It is one of a flexible palette with a good array of colors. So the value of this product is $29. In the fall, I think this is the most favorite product for now. Okay, let me get to the next product. This is the last product, and it is a skincare product. It is from the brand Sunday Riley, and it is a brightening enzyme water cream. It is a moisturizer with hyaluronic acid. I love hyaluronic acid. It gives you a ton of hydration to your skin and it helps to plump your skin. So it is a lightweight, oil-free gel cream moisturizer which has a hyaluronic acid in it. Let me show you. So it not only hydrates your skin, it also helps in brightening your skin. The brightening agent here will be tamarind extract and papaya enzymes to smooth, and it also helps to exfoliate and brightens the appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. So it helps, so it holds 68% of moisture in your skin for 24 hours, and it happens in the next 15 minutes after you apply your cream. So this is the great product, I guess. And of course you might have known Sunday Riley is one of the highest skincare brand, and it smells good. So the value of this product is $65. I think it is the most expensive product out of all. Yeah, no, the curling one, it is also $65. So curling one and the water cream, these two are the most expensive out of all. So these are all the products in this month's box. So the total number of products will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have received 8 products, and let's get into the calculation part. Price of Violet Vase palette is $29 plus sleeping mask is $52 plus the eyeliner is $20 plus liquid lipstick is $22 plus the contour palette is $45 plus that water cream, Sunday Riley water cream, it is $65, and the curling one is $65, and hydrating hair balm, it is $29. So the total is $327. Boxycharm never disappoints me. I always love all the products that I receive in Boxycharm. So if you also want to purchase Boxycharm, or if you want to get to know about the Boxycharm, I'll leave the link down below in the description box. Please do go check out. It's not a promotion or something. I just want to share out of my interest. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do like and share with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, and that will be all for today. Bye guys, thanks for watching.